I've been meaning to share a garden tour for quite some time, but have been waiting for more flowers to bloom, plants to fill in, and for the weather to cooperate as we've had quite a few rainy, cloudy days. But finally, I have a new little tour to share with you, and I have to laugh as even since recording this video, there are quite a few changes in the garden. I was really excited to add this little set to our porch, as Tim and I purchased it for our very first apartment years ago, and I just find it fun and nostalgic. I think of all the times we would sit at that table, having little suppers, or just spending time on our tiny, cozy balcony in the evenings. It's one of those things that reminds me of a time in my life when I used to just take a moment now and then to simply enjoy. I think sometimes in life it can be easy to fall into a sprint where we get consumed with all the busy things that demand our attention day to day. But I do think it is important to give ourselves a moment to rest and simply have a minute now and then to enjoy things. Sitting at that little table on the balcony of our first apartment wouldn't have been something I would have thought someday I would think so fondly of. But it just goes to show, taking time to enjoy the little things in life matters more than we might think. But jumping back to the garden from that tangent, we have planted so many new perennials this year. These baby chickadees have been popping up all over the yard in flower beds, which has been fun. Startling at times, but fun. For planters this year, I just really went for contrasting color and texture, and focused more on plants with interesting colored or shaped leaves, rather than just the flowers. I really love how they turned out, and can't wait to see them fill in. This flower bed around back is heavier on plants on one side because of a new fence project a year or so ago. Slowly, I've been planting new perennials to fill in on the fence side, including some variegated climbing hydrangeas. What I call the backyard, but is really the side yard, the shrubs and trees are slowly filling in, giving it a natural look that the birds really seem to enjoy. The remodeled front side flower bed is filling in more and more each year too. It's fun to see the changes each year with new growth and new perennial additions. Inside, I brought out a few summery decorations and dishes. I always joke that our home interior doesn't really have a set summer design because of how early I have to record for fall. But I really do love the cozy season of pumpkins and do get a lot of joy from having seasonal decorations up more of the year. But yes, I hope you enjoyed this little garden tour and hope you are having a great summer so far.